songs today, and I hope everything's okay. Now this one is what was it? Oh yeah, yeah. Fame come knocking on my door. Not really. I'm only pretending, you know. Okay, here goes.
Fame, I'm tasting it today. It's never been that way. Now fame is coming knocking on my door. Knocking on my door. Knocking on my door. Don't know who these people are. It was just something I just did. I'm not really a big star, like Shakira and a hit, but famous. Yes, fame is knocking on my door, knocking on my door. Knocking on my door. Never tasted fame before, but it's knocking on my door. It's knocking on my door. Don't know if it will last, but I've tasted it. Once today. I'm so easy. You don't have to please me. I only do these things 'cause my heart says. But you see, I've never tasted fame before. Now it's coming knocking on my door.
Very short and sweet, but that was it. Maybe I could fit in another one on this one. Let's have a look. Yeah, one. Okay, hold on a minute. Be back in a minute. 1, 2. Right, is that it? Hold on a minute. I think that's it. No, it's not. Oh dear. Bye. Bye.